The standard definition of music is the art of sounds. The sound, in fact, is at the foundation of music. Without sound, you would have no music. So, how do we define a sound and then music? A sound is created by a vibration, and it is defined by its pitch, the highness or lowness of a sound, and its timbre, the quality or tone of a sound. If we define also the length of time a sound is produced, the rhythm, we can call that sound a note, which represents a sound with a specific pitch and a specific rhythm. Once we have a note, we have the basic building block of music. To understand what pitch a note has, we place the note on a canvas called a staff. The staff is composed of 5 lines and 4 spaces. The notes are placed right on those lines and spaces according to their pitch. Notes higher in pitch are placed higher on the staff and vice versa. To name the pitches, we use the first 7 letters of the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We also use a clef at the beginning of the staff to establish a point of reference to understand at what absolute pitch we must start counting notes. There are several clefs in music, but the most common ones are the treble, the bass, the alto, and the tenor clef.